Suchira. If you want to know more about Thailand, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you will not miss anything about my country. Today I come to the food court somewhere not far from my house, but I think I should come and stop by here to recommend one of the very good Thai dish. This dish is called Khao Kapi. Khao Kapi, and I don't think you guys ever try it because it's really typical Thai food, but you should try something that you never tried before, and it's so interesting. That's why I want to recommend you and have a try of it. This is what I like. She cooks very good. And this is the rice that we're going to eat, and it's already cooked and it's very hot. And this is and then the side you just cook like this. And this one is a traditional Thai sausage. Long. This one is mango, sour mango. This one I love is the most. Eggs. Onion. Cucumber. Lùng thông nàyคะช้อนอย่างเร็วช้อนพันหนึ่งก่อนตอนเช้าอ่ะจะอลังการมากหรองั้นเดี๋ยวหนูมาอีกทีได้ไหมเช้าเนี่ยเต็มไปหมดเลยเช้าประมาณกี่โมงเหรอคะประมาณ8:30เนี่ยมันจะอลังการมากโอเคเยอะมาก8:30เนาะ This is it. So nice. Going to get some place to eat. Been here. Well, the reason that I recommend you this dish is just because of this dish has so many different flavors on this dish all together. So the main things is the brown color in the middle. We call Khao Kapi. It's made of the shrimp paste. Shrimp paste, it smells a bit strong, right? But it's a bit salty. So our Thai food, we have some different flavors putting all together, like mango is a sour mango, and also we have fly eggs, we have the fried shrimp, and we also have onion, fresh onion, cucumber, and also we have the sausage, Thai sausage, and this one is sweet pork, and we have fresh chili, and also we have the lime juice. And once when we are ready, we just put them all together, or you can just select each of them on each time. But for me, I love to mix everything all together, and then once when you put on your mouth, it's just a lot of flavors at the same time. Can you imagine it? Oh my god, I'm starting to get hungry now. Chili, sour taste of mango. Oh my god. And this one. I usually mix them all. Oh, before I start. I usually put them like this. Then mix all together. And you don't have to do like me, you can pick once. And this one is a sweet. Look at the pork. Look at the juicy, sweet juicy one. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat now. I'm so sorry you can't join me, but don't worry, I'll eat for you, everyone. This is my heaven. Oh my god. And sausage and mango flavor all together. Onion, fresh onion. Oh my god, so much. Now I'm crying. Spicy. Now I'm full. I can talk wherever. Because when I started to, before I eat, I can't focus what to talk because it looks so good. But now everything is all good. My brain is just all managed. Anyway, this kind of food, Khao, Kluk, Kapi. Khao, Kluk, Kapi. Please remember, this dish is everywhere in Thailand. It's very common Thai food. It's not typical food which you have to go to the north, the south, or anywhere. Anywhere you go in Thailand, this is very common Thai food, and there are not many tourists know about this just because of the color and also the smell of this food. If you don't get used to with the shrimp paste, you don't get used to with chaom, that kind of vegetable, you probably feel like it's so weird. But why Thai people love it? Why they love it is just because of the taste which is mixed all together at once. As I told you, salty, sweetness, and sour, all everything together, and they are all healthy food. So that's why we love it very much. But chaom and also fish and also all the food here, I recommend you when you eat it, you better brush your teeth because it's quite strong smell but very healthy food. So if you feel like okay, you don't mind to brush teeth later, something like that, why not? You should try it because of this one is one of the very typical Thai food which the tourists don't really know about it. You are the one who I tell right now. So now it depends on you that if you want to try or not. For me, I recommend you to try because it's very good. Don't forget Khao Kluk Kapi. Anyway, for today, this is all I want to recommend you, and I hope that you know Thai food from one more dish. And if you feel like, oh, it's good to know, next time you come to Thailand, you want to try it, please give me a thumb up so I know that what I'm doing is the right things. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you want to know more about Thailand, make sure to subscribe because I still have everything about Thailand to share with you. And if you are appreciated with information that I have for you today, you want to support my channel, you want to buy me a coffee, you can have a look in the description how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching me eating. I'll see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ